Edo don host new NIPOST director. Promise for better collabo between Edo State and NIPOST. Shaibu na e tok dis one. Deputy Governor for Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, for Tuesday for Government House don receive di management of staff of di Nigerian Postal Institute (NPI) EGO, wey na di new director Salome Irowa come carry waka. Shaibu tok say e know say di coming of dis new director go bring beta relationship between di Nigerian Postal Service (NIPOST) and di state government and go help create ogbonge environment for dem to achieve beta government. E con still tok say NIPOST wey don move from analog to digital service delivery agency dey sweet im belle and dem go continue to partner and collabo with dem.
We pray that your coming will not only cement our existing relationship, but to also help to develop and create a better atmosphere for both NIPOST and the state government to achieve the purpose of governance and good governance. We've had a lot of collaboration and cooperation in many areas beyond sport. Recently, we were on the same page to help to coordinate and supervise and regulate the Korea people, and that relationship led to restoration of peace and proper synergy to coordinate both from both sides, good from the NIPOST and our Board of Internal Revenue Service. Like we always say, government is one, whether federal, state, or local government. Government is government. And the purpose of government is to coordinate activities in line with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so that people will know that there are rules and regulations that govern all of us, and we are able to fall in line without disorder. NIPOST from creation is the oldest as far as information dissemination is concerned. And I'm also glad that we are able to grow with the tide of things from the analog NIPOST to now digital NIPOST. So I'm excited about that, and we as a state will continue to partner with NIPOST for goods and services and other related activities of NIPOST.
Shaibu con tok say Edo don become tourist centre for sport, but dem no dey do very well for hospitality business as dem no fit accommodate many pipo wey dey come for sport. E con tok say di government wan collabo with di private sectors wey go invest for di hospitality business for Edo State.
For sports, we also want to thank NIPOST for the facility that we built here in Edo. And Edo is gradually regaining its #1 position as far as sport tourism is concerned. And you can now have a state where that has become a maker of and hype of sporting activity without having to invest in hostel accommodation. Just recently discovered that Edo State do not even have hotels. Yes, the ones we call hotels, they are so few, and the number of rooms we have in this hotel are so small that the sporting environment and sporting tourism that we have created so far, and the traffic that we are already bringing in sport, has exposed to us that we don't have enough accommodation in Edo. And so I'm using this medium to solicit and ask private sector and other interested persons in hospitality business to come to Edo. For Edo is open now and ready for sports tourism and other tourism. But for the sports, we've discovered that every major tournament we want to host, the accommodation is very few. not even for the officials and fans, but for the athletes. We don't need to be closing the University of Benin to be able to host sporting activities for using this facility for athletes. So, as the number one sporting destination, obviously, accommodation such like yours will be obviously ready for such expansion that we're already creating. We are also in the branch of building a sports academy, which will be second to none, because every facility we build has a lifespan, and it has to key into what we want to achieve as far as sport is concerned. And don't also forget that we are in an era where everything is technology driven. So this, just like the Salvador Stadium, where state-of-the-art facilities were built, same we are looking at the sports academy that we're about to build with state-of-the-art facility, simulation rooms and other things. Because we realize that our sportsmen and women are half-baked and they are in a hurry to go to Europe. Whereas when we compare our players to the players that started from Europe, there's always a great difference, because from there they teach them, for instance, a footballer is taught how to even stand before the ball gets to you, how to receive the ball when it gets to you. These are the basics. But for us, because we are naturally gifted, we don't even know that there's a way you stand to even receive the ball. It's why you can't kick the ball, and just use their own self-skill. That's it, So, you see in some of these European people, they trap because I think they have gum in their legs. But actually they don't have gum in their legs. It's the way they stand and the way they receive the ball. When you are compared to our own player that is even more skillful, the way he receives the ball is completely different. You trap it, you have to touch it twice to be able to do it. So some of these facilities we are bringing into our sport academy, and for all sports, not just football.
Director for the Nigerian Postal Institute (NPI) Ego Benin City, Salome Erowa, come throway salute give the deputy governor, come still tok say dem don get better relationship with the government, and the government come still help dem build road to their institute for Ego Benin City. She come still tok say the Obaseki administration don do wella, especially for hosting the National Sports Festival, as dem win plenty awards, and dem come still upgrade the Samuel Gbomudia Stadium, come still make Edo #1 for sport for Naija.
I and my management team, along with the state postal manager of NIPOST Edo, are happy to be in your presence this morning. Thank you, Your Excellency, for granting us audience despite your tight and busy schedule. I am well aware of the cordial relationship already existing between NIPOST and Edo State, especially under your administration. But despite the fact that the relationship between NIPOST and Edo State has spanned decades, but we have never had it this good. This relationship has led to the construction. One of the dividends of this relationship is the construction of the NIPOST road leading to the Nigerian Postal Institute Ego. In addition, the road was constructed into the premises to the administrative block. In addition, this relationship has led to the Bendel Insurance football team coming to train on our football pitch, and this has brought limelight to our institute. Everyone is aware that Edo State has witnessed a lot of developmental strides and growth in every sphere. Under your excellent leadership, Edo State hosted the National Sports Festival and has been winning a lot of laurels in sporting activities, thereby holding her place, her pride of place in sports in the country. Your quest for excellence can be boldly seen in the upgrade of the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, which can rival any facility anywhere in the world. We are proud to be associated with this success story.
Salome Erowa come tok say sake of say Edo no get better hostel facilities, na dis one come make dem move the NIPOST Sports Festival go Ibadan. She come beg the government make dem support dem to renovate the hostels wey go make dem host other sports festival for Edo.
The NIPOST Sports Festival, which was meant to hold in Benin, is now holding in Ibadan. Edo lost the hosting rights as a result of the poor state of the hostel facilities in our institute. I would like to appeal, Your Excellency, that we are still open and willing to partner with you on the proposed renovation and rehabilitation of our hostels, which will eventually host Edo State sports athletes anytime the need arises. We all know that Your Excellency is very passionate and supportive of sporting activities. We are also here to appeal to Edo State for financial support to enable our 60-man contingent to attend the sporting festivals in Ibadan. We are optimistic that your financial support will not only help us attend the sports festival, but also your moral support will also help us to win, which is customary with Edo State. Permit me, Your Excellency, to present to you a letter for financial support.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power, no go sell your votes give any politician or political party on election day.